Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, we're going to talk about this BFA X SpaceX launch campaign. But before that, let me remind you that this is not a financial advice. This is for entertainment and review purposes only. So always do your own research before doing anything else because crypto has a risk. So without further ado, let's get into it. Elon Musk has done it again. So every time SpaceX launches a rocket, the world stop and watches. Because it's not just about space, it's about the future, reusable rocket, Mars missions, satellite internet, and billion-dollar innovation. SpaceX has become one of the most talked about companies in the planet. And here's the big question. If you had the chance to trade around opportunities connected to companies like SpaceX, which platform would you choose? Would you go with a traditional stock trading app? Or would you use a crypto exchange like Coinbase or a Binance? Or would you choose a platform that gives more flexibility, lower cost, and better rewards? Because for many traders, the biggest barrier is not just choosing the right stock or crypto. It's the cost of a trading. Fees, commission, spread, and platform limitation can quietly eat into your profits. And if you trade often, those costs matter even more. So that's where BFA stands out. Compared with the platforms like Coinbase and Binance, BFA gives traders a clear advantage with 0% commission fees, helping users lower their trading costs and retain more of their potential returns. Coinbase is widely known for easy access to cryptocurrencies, while Binance is recognized for global crypto trading. The BFA, however, offers something different, a more comprehensive trading experience for users who want access to both cryptocurrencies and stocks, with strong focus on cost efficiency. For traders who value flexibility, affordability, and efficiency, BFA is becoming an increasingly attractive choice. Take stock trading fees as an example. If you purchase more than 100,000 USDT worth of stocks on a Binance, the trading fee may be around 50 USDT. On a BFA, the fee for the same transaction would be approximately 30 USDT, making it a more cost-effective option. The difference is even more notable in crypto tradings. So in BFA, makers can enjoy a 0% trading fee while Binance charges a 0.05% maker fee. In terms of stock trading functionality, BFA also offers a more user-friendly candlestick chart interface compared with Binance. User can easily review historical trends and market indicators, making it simpler to analyze price movements and make informed trading decisions. Meanwhile, fractional share trading is also available on a BFA, making it easier for users to invest with smaller amounts of capital. Instead of needing to buy a full share, user can purchase a fraction of stock based on their budget. This lowers the entry barrier for beginners and allows more investors to access high-value stocks, diversify their portfolios, and participate in the market with greater flexibility. So what exactly is BuyPay? So BuyPay is a global trading platform that has been a business for 7 long years, serving users who want to simply and efficient way to trade the multiple asset classes. On BFA, users can enjoy zero maker fee for cryptocurrency, zero commission fee for stocks, a smooth trading experience across crypto and stock markets. That means whether you're interested in crypto opportunities, stock trading, or market trends inspired by major companies like SpaceX, BFA gives you a cost-friendly way to participate in SpaceX launch celebration plus campaign. And to celebrate the SpaceX launch, BFA is preparing even more exciting events for new registration and up to 6,000 USDT bonus pool for you to win. You can start your first trade from SpaceX on BFA after the SpaceX launch. If you're new to BFA, this is a great time to join. So more activities, more updates, and more opportunities are coming soon. So don't just watch the market move, get ready to be part of it. Join the BFA community today and follow BFA on social media to stay updated on the latest campaigns, launch events, rewards, or trading opportunities. The future is moving fast from rockets to markets, and BFA, you can move it with it. And register now, follow BFA, and stay tuned for what comes.